Look at the dark clouds.
I think it will rain soon.
I love rainy days.
Today will be a fun adventure.
Hi, Noah. Hi, Maya. Welcome. Are you ready? Yes, let's go.
Put on your raincoat.
My boots are ready. I have my umbrella.
Have fun and be careful.
Splash! This is so much fun. Look at the water. Let's jump again. My boat is blue. Mine is yellow. Ready? Go! My boat is winning! Yay! A little frog. It is so cute. Hello, little frog. Let's leave it safely here. The trees look beautiful. The rain smells fresh. Listen to the birds. Nature is amazing. Oh no, a puppy. It looks scared. Don't worry, little puppy. We will help you. There is my puppy. We found it. It is safe now. It is safe now. Thank you so much. Wow! It is beautiful.
Rainbows bring smiles.
Let's take a picture.
Here is your hot chocolate.
Thank you. The cookies are delicious.
Enjoy your snack.
I will draw the puppy. I will draw the rainbow. My picture is colorful. Mine is finished.
Are you ready?
Yes, please read. I love stories.
Once upon a time.
Today was wonderful. I had so much fun.
Sweet dreams, children.
Good night.